How to share friends Instagram story to my story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can share your friends Instagram story to your own story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to share someone's story to your own story, there is a very significant thing that you have to understand, which I'm going to explain to you. First of all, just go ahead and open up Instagram. So let's say that your friend has actually uploaded a story, right? And if you're mentioned in that story, you can directly add it without doing anything. So just for the example, you can see one of the stories that I'm mentioned in. You can see this person basically added me as the username and then just tagged me. So if I want to add this to my story, all I have to do is just go ahead and just tap on the add this to your story button over here, and then I should be able to successfully add that to my story by just tapping on the your story icon over here. And this is how it works if you're mentioned. However, if I show you other stories of this specific person, right, so you can see on these stories I'm not actually mentioned, so I will not be able to find the add this to your story button. Only if I'm mentioned I'll find the add this to your story. But if I'm not mentioned, what you have to do is you simply have to take a screenshot of this story. Now once you take a screenshot of this story, you can just come back, and now you can go about simply creating your own story and selecting that specific photo over here. Now this time if you want, you can try to mention that person and they're going to get notified as well. And this is how you can share your friend's story to your own story on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.